Greetings, Peter Nelson here with Full Service Property Management for your third quarter update for 2024. Looking back at the previous quarter, second quarter, we saw pretty much a stable market. It wasn't leaning in favor of tenants or landlords. We did see an uptick in renewals, and so more tenants are wanting to stay put rather than move. And we forecast this, we expected this, and we forecasted in quarter one and quarter two. In terms of our turnovers, we continue to, have what I consider historic lows in our vacancies in the 2 to 3% range. That's beginning to sound a little bit like a broken record. But again, I think it's just testament to the leasing program that we've been successful at developing. The other big news for quarter two was the release of another maintenance service. Now, we already offer several maintenance services, roof cleaning, yard cleanup, things like that. But in quarter two of 2024, we released our deck and fence staining service, where we'll come in and we will pressure wash the wood first, clean it up, and then come back after it's dry and stain it. Decks and fences just have a rough time in the Pacific Northwest with all the moisture. And by periodically staining them every about 3 years, you can definitely extend the life of those buildings materials and thereby reduce your capital cost. So we're pretty excited about that. We released it initially and had a good response. And as we head into the second half of the summer, I just want to put in a shameless plug that if you haven't signed up for that and you do have a fence or deck, you might want to get with your property manager and look into that. We can give you an estimate before the weather starts to turn. As far as the third quarter goes, we're not expecting much change in action, just really more of the same as far as renewals continuing, vacancies continuing at a low rate. The only thing we're really looking at is that Fed Chairman Powell indicated that there's a tendency for more easing of rates. So we're expecting a cut maybe within the next 12 months, within the next 3, I don't know. But this should be good news for investors looking to expand their portfolios going forward. The other thing is on the maintenance side, we've also been busy working on that, but I'm not going into the fall. I'll release that. Hopefully I'll remember and share with you what we've been working on in our fourth quarter update. But otherwise, right now, the engine is running smooth. And the last thing I would say is just that we are putting an increased emphasis on delinquencies. The legislation that local municipalities have passed has just really put a burden on the courts. And so evictions are just out there forever. So we are continue to make a concerted effort in helping tenants who are showing signs of financial stress to help them avoid that ugly situation as it hurts everybody. So just adding that in there. Otherwise, that's about all we've got for this round, and we'll see you in 3 months. Bye now.